keeping it healthy. Like back home, I didn't do any type of cooking. Like we went to the store, we bought TV dinners, we heat them up in the microwave, and that was it. Sit on the couch all day, play video games, that's it. I was the definition of a couch potato. Like this would never cross my mind. Getting my hands dirty, getting my hands filthy like this to create something like this. Onions and butter, can't go wrong. I was a big guy when I first came here. I got pictures of how, in the yearbook, how I used to look. I used to be a large person. This shirt used to be small on me. This shirt used to be tiny on me. Like it could like barely fit me. Like it was like all the way up here, like it was stretched out. Pretty sure my belly, I dropped almost 10 pant sizes. Almost 10 pant sizes. It's just such a great feeling to be healthy. To be like, I can do what I want to do. With MHS, like getting involved in sports, something I never would have thought of doing. Never in a million years do sports. Where'd it go? It was a stretch for me to do football. I didn't want to do it. I really didn't. But like I realized that something had to change. No frozen beef patties here. Cooking is fun. Boom. Oh man, that barbecue sauce does wonders. Say hit! So I took a chance. I took a leap. I was terrible. I was really bad at football, but I love to play it. I got stronger. I got faster, I got fitter. I started shedding pounds. He's even made me smarter because of it.
What's the symbol for angle in all of our trigs so far?
Theta. I'm grateful for getting education that I might not have had, like where I came from. I'm thankful for getting up every morning. I'm thankful for the mindset that this place is giving me. I'm thankful for the weight loss that this place is giving me. I'm so thankful for this school. I was content to live my whole life on the couch. But then Milton Hershey School told me, get off the couch. Go do something else. It showed me, who are you, Patrick Brown? Who are you? It showed me who I am. And I want to keep on finding out who I am. When I get an email from somebody saying that we're doing this and this community service, like I automatically think, can I make room in my schedule for that? Like, cause it's like, what am I gonna learn? Who am I gonna meet? What am I gonna do? What skills am I gonna take from it? Like, and it's just so exciting. And it's all along that path of self-betterment. And the health is just another stepping stone. Like I wanna just keep on getting stepping stones and stepping stones until I reach someplace I can't even see yet.